This is the second problem in series RL circuit, transient series RL circuit. Draw the circuit. I will explain the question. Have you drawn the circuit?
Yes, sir, drawn.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Write down the question. In the series circuit shown in figure, write down. In the series circuit shown in figure, in the series circuit shown in figure, in the series circuit shown in figure, the switch is closed. The switch is closed. The switch is closed on position 1. Switch is closed on position 1. Switch is closed on position 1. At t is equal to 0. Switch is closed on position 1 at t is equal to 0. Comma. Thereby applying the 100 volt source, thereby applying the 100 volt source, 100 volt source to the RL branch, to the RL branch. And at t is equal to, and at t is equal to, and at t is equal to 500 microseconds, and at t is equal to 500 microseconds, 500 microseconds, the switch is moved to position 2. The switch is moved to position 2. Obtain the equations. Obtain the equations for the current in both intervals. Obtain the equations for the current in both intervals. Okay, that is the question. Now we'll go for the, read the question and tell me what they are asking in the problem. Read the question and tell me what they are asking in the problem. So this is the series RL circuit that is connected to 100 volts. When switch is at position 1, when the switch S is at position 1, there are two positions here. One is position 1 and the one is position 2. So in the first case, he is asking to determine the current when the switch is in position 1. Now after 500 microseconds, what he is doing? After 500 microseconds, what he is doing? Anyone? He is moving the switch from position 1 to 2. From 0 to 500 microseconds, switch is in position 1. After 500 microseconds, switch is moved to position 2. Now he is asking to determine the current equation when switch is in position 1 and also in position 2 in both the intervals. Obtain the equations for the current when the switch is in position 1 and also when the switch is in position 2. Switch is in position 1 from 0 to 500 microseconds. After 500 microseconds, switch is moved to position 2. Is it clear? Now first I am placing the switch in position 1 and I am determining the current equation. Now you know the first order differential. When the switch is in position 1, how the current will flow? Current will flow like this. When switch is in position 1, current will flow like that. Okay. Now we are not we are connecting to 100 volts. We are not connecting to 50 volts. Now in the closed loop, we can apply the KVL. That is 100 minus 100I. See that equation? V minus IR minus L into di by dt. V minus IR minus L into di by dt. Now what you will do? What you will do? What you have to do now?
Find the integrating factor.
Make the coefficient of di by dt 1. Okay. Divide the entire equation with 0.2. Divide the entire equation with 0.2. 100 by 0.2. How much? 100 by 0.2 is 500. Okay. Let it be equation 1. What is the integrating factor? This is the integrating factor. Now what is the solution? What is the next step? Substitute 3 in 2. Substitute equation 3 in 2. C value is -1. C value is -1. So this is the equation we got when the switch is in position 1. This is the current equation when switch is in position 1. See, we can also get this directly without doing all these steps. I is equal to V by R into 1 minus e power minus R by L into T for RL circuit. What is V? We can do like this. I into T. The same. So when the switch is in position 1, when switch is in position 1, this is the current equation. Go through this. Now we'll move to switch. Now we'll move the switch to position 2. Up to this, any doubt you can ask me. Now draw the circuit. Now I am moving the switch to position 2 at t is equal to t dash, that is equal to 500 microseconds. I am moving the switch to position 2 at t is equal to t dash, that is equal to 500 microseconds. Now draw the circuit. Now here I had to determine the current equation again. Current I dash. I had to determine the current I dash. Only in the closed loop current will flow. Have you drawn the circuit? Unit is ampere here. Ampere. Now, when the switch is in position 2, what is the initial current? When switch is in position 1, what is the initial current? First of all, tell me. When switch is in position 1, what is the initial current? Anyone? At t is equal to 0, what is the initial current when switch is in position 1? Switch 1 లో ఉన్నప్పుడు at t is equal to 0, what is the current?
0 only, sir.
It is 0. Now, when the switch is in position 2, is the initial current 0 or not? How much you'll get?
0.22.
Okay. Therefore, this is the initial current when switch is in position 2. So at t is equal to t dash, your initial current is at switch when switch is into 0.221 ampere, not 0. Now I have to determine the current equation when switch is in position 2. Now I'll write the loop equation for this. Your current in that loop is I dash. Your current in that loop is I dash. di dash by dt minus t dash. Why it is t minus t dash? Initially, when switch is in position 1, it is t is equal to 0. Now it is t is equal to t dash. That is t minus t dash is equal to 0. This is when switch is in position 1. This is when switch is in position 2. In position 2, it is t is equal to t dash. That is t minus t dash is equal to 0. That's why I'm taking your current is I dash. di dash by d t minus t dash. I want to determine the current equation in the second loop. In the second loop, I want to determine the current equation. Now here 0.2 di dash by dt minus T dash plus 100i is equal to 50. Make the coefficient of di dash by dt minus t dash 1. That is di dash by d p minus t dash plus 100 by 0.2, how much? 50 by 0.2. Now substitute the initial condition. Here substitute t is equal to t dash. Your I dash is 0.221, that is equal to half means 0.5 plus c into e power 0. In place of t substitute t dash. T dash minus t dash, it is 0, e power 0. In place of t substitute t dash. Now what is the value of c? Okay, this is your current equation when switch is in position 2. Okay, go through the problem. I'll take the attendance.